Hey.
Hey.
What you doing?
I'm just looking at the paper that comes for the QC.
Community paper.
Yeah, Queen City.
Cool.
Yeah. Sometimes, well, I don't know if this is in Regina, but sometimes they'll have like pictures of actual yards in our city, and they just do different articles on different things that are happening.
Our home's actually been featured in there.
Yes. So they have really good taste.
Yes.
Goes
without saying. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yep. This one is at a church. It was on last night. And then today's the last day.
Okay. Okay, so we are here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's park and get in there.
Yeah. Now.
Hey, it's open.
Yep.
Oh.
Gee.
That scared me.
I want those two hangers.
From the free box.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll go down in here first.
Oh, who it is? Jerry.
Should we go bug him?
Yeah.
I want that one.
You can have it.
What you getting now?
Gross. This is like couch material, but feel it. It's just awful.
Oh my God.
You couldn't sit on it with shorts.
No.
But do you remember?
Terrible
That's
material.
like,
Why would anybody ever invent such a...
it'll probably last forever.
You think so? You think that'd look good on you, Jerry?
That painting is $75.
What? Yeah. Wow. That is ridiculous. Oh my God.
Like, I realize they're raising money for their church, but don't have to raise it all on one item.
Holy smoke. 45, 80. And this isn't even a painting. It's a print. This one's 80. Oh my God. And then this is 2. There's no consistency. Mind you, look at it.
I know, but I'm wondering if these are supposed to be in the free box or not. Ooh.
I forget that closes so hard.
We should fix that.
Yeah.
Okay. This one was on last night, and today it's on today and it's on tomorrow, and there's supposed to be antiques at it.
Okay.
So hopefully they're not all gone.
Yeah, no kidding.
They're
right here.
Oh, okay. So in the
I'm
back.
guessing the back. Then.
Yeah. Ooh.
Almost went up the driveway
there's
instead.
the arrow. Oh, up there.
And then here's another arrow.
Yeah, I hope there's room for you. These alleys tend to be small.
Yeah.
We'll just turn and see what's up. Yeah, we won't be too long, I don't think.
All right, let's check it out.
Yeah.
Looks like there's lots of stuff.
Yeah, it does.
That's okay. That's all right. I don't want to be a...
Someone's coming to your garage sale in a taxi? Shut up, really? That's pricey, man.
Oh no, the driver.
Oh, because I was like, who takes a taxi? Like, that's gotta be some rich person. Yeah. Did you find a spot?
I did.
Yeah.
Right out in front.
Oh, good.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, another one, eh?
God, that's
I know.
huge.
Yeah.
We're gonna grab that?
I don't know.
It's only $3.
I know. That'll be the third one that we
We
have.
got lots of places to stick them.
Okay, if you really like it.
Can I actually put that with you?
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks.
That's funny. Oh, look at these.
Oh,
Skulls.
that's pretty awesome.
Do you like them?
I do.
This one's quite... Well,
Huge.
I might be able to fix it. It's broken, though.
Just don't see a lot of those out here.
This... Well, you do.
Cattle skulls. Well, I don't. Like in the city, I mean.
Oh, yeah. Usually you don't bury them in the city.
Right. You see these old clubs down here?
They're weights, exercise.
Yeah,
weights.
exercise. Just swinging them around.
Yeah. No, I haven't been on that side, really.
Giant Jenga.
Yeah, look at this table, hey? That's pretty cool, hey?
Yeah.
There's another one made out of a stained glass window on the other
saw it
side.
over there, yeah.
That's nice.
Really nice.
Giant, oh, Jenga, yeah.
Nice lamps. I don't think they're as old as they're trying to look, though.
No.
Another hooter.
Excuse me. You're supposed to put this in your trunk, I think. Yeah. Oh, don't. Smash you in the face.
Slap you with my dead hand.
Oh my God, is this Curious George?
I think it is.
Salt and pepper.
Does it say anything on the bottom?
Pure one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's funny
So-
though.
Maybe it's trying to be Curious George.
Yeah. It's Curious Frank.
The all-paper camera.
What?
Assemble it and it works. Because it uses film.
Weird. It's all paper?
Yeah.
It's weird. It looks like metal pieces on it.
25 cents.
Like they got that and they were like, no. So you had to cut.
You have to build it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's all just construction paper. Yeah, it is. It is all paper. So you must have to paint that
And
stuff.
like, that's what it looks like when it's done.
Yeah, I don't want it, but
Neat.
it is neat. Aw, it's a fakie, but it's too
Ah.
bad. It's nice. Wow. I believe that's how much that cost.
Oh yeah, probably more than
Those
that. Even.
faucets are
Oh,
incredibly.
$350 new.
Yeah.
You're asking for 150.
Yeah. Oh, and here's some more.
More faucets.
Yeah. Roman tub faucet.
Wow.
Yeah.
Holy smoke! Are you just following us around now, eh? You're a stalker.
You said you love me, so
Oh. Where's my hug?
You guys have a YouTube channel or something?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm friends with Tristan. You guys have some pleasures.
Thanks. Look at this for a tiny shoe.
That is for that's for a child's shoe, probably.
Yeah,
eh?
Yeah, when you...
Kids need shoes.
Oh, the best one is broken.
Oh, the purple one. Mm-hmm. There's some blue ones in there. Hey,
I know.
What's that a purple one?
I don't think so. It's green.
Green.
It's pretty.
$1 each, eh?
Yeah.
The prices at the sale are great.
They are. I know, it's too bad because...
Oh, broken purple.
I know, the best one broken, hey?
Yeah.
Maxine collects purple ones.
Yeah. Old 7-Up and Diet Coke, really, 45 cents. It's going to be from the 80s. So it does have a barcode.
Blankets.
I want that.
You want that one?
Yeah.
This one might be complete. It just... Here's the other horn. So...
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, if you think you can fix that,
I can fix it if you want it.
$10 for the pair.
Where are we going to put them?
Well, I think one's going to the man cave.
I think both of them can go down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want them.
Sure.
Okay. You want...
You grab that one for me?
Okay.
I don't want to squeeze it too hard.
They've been outside for a
Yeah.
bit.
They have.
Yeah. I don't know how to pick it up. So I don't want to break it. Okay, there we go.
Pretty cool. You guys have some great stuff. Really interesting things. Mm-hmm. Like even if it's something that I don't need,
Yeah.
I'm finding I'm still looking at everything.
Okay.
Wow, that's neat. That's neat.
Sure.
One big for that one?
Sure. Look great in my man cave.
Yeah, that's what they're for.
You had them in your man cave for a while?
I got a couple of those.
You guys
yeah.
have a farm in the country, or?
These were. No,
Yeah.
I had one for. I bought an acreage for a couple of years.
Okay.
But not anymore.
How
A
much
lot of
was-
work, I'm sure. So
Yeah.
those were 5 each.
Yeah, and then the book was...
$3.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate that.
Like a trip to the museum.
Absolutely. It is. Yeah, you guys got some really interesting things. Things you don't always see at everyday garage sale, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? So,
Yeah, that's right. Okay. You got... What do you want me to carry that one, too? Or you want to...
No, I'm good.
You got the in the book? Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Have a good one. Cool. We got some nice things. Couple cow skulls and another big ass dictionary.
I know. Oh my God, that's
We're
3.
just running into those dictionaries all the time this year.
I know. I don't know what's up with that. It's weird.
It is. And this is another build it yourself version.
Yeah, yeah.
Where you got to buy the volumes.
All the sections.
Yeah.
Like, I wonder, like, we should look through and see if they, like, what if you forget? Like, you get
And
to,
you're like, oh, I was
You
really
know.
busy that month and I totally forgot to buy that volume.
yeah, there's no, like, S section or something. It's like, oh, yeah.
I can't spell my S words very well because I didn't buy that section.
Yeah. Okay. It's colder today than it was yesterday.
Yeah, the wind is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait for the summer to really hit and for the weather to heat up.
I know. Yeah, the wind. Well, it's supposed to frickin' snow this weekend.
I know, I cannot believe
So
that.
I kind of believe it because
But I think that's supposed to happen like Sunday overnight.
the wind is
And then by
cold.
Monday, sort of during the day, it's all going to melt again.
It better.
We'll see what happens.
I'm gonna have to sleep all day Sunday and Monday so I don't see it.
I'm just glad it's not snowing right now.
Yeah.
Honestly.
I know.
Well, that was a cool sale. Gotta say.
Wonder what they had last night, eh?
I know. They probably had some pretty cool stuff.
Yeah.
Judging by what we saw out there today.
Yep. must have a growing passion for gardening.
That's only because weed is legal now.
6 home trends to consider. Number 6 is multi-generational homes. Buyers between the ages of 53 and 62 are increasingly looking at homes that can accommodate children older than 18, with a room or apartment available. To care for an aging parent. No, to care for your aging child.
Yes. With a small garden off to the side, apparently.
Yeah. Ah, yes.
It is April 28th. Look at this garbage. What? Snow. April 28th. Get out of here. That's all I gotta say. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this week. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It's a great way to support our channel, and it helps push this video out to people who don't know about us yet. And as always, if you're not subscribed, get down there, hit that subscribe button. We're on a push to 10,000 subscribers this year, and we need your help to do it. Love you guys. Thanks for watching, and on to the next.